Honestly, it's probably a little hard to do this with one hand, but this is my first Erin Condren seasonal surprise box, and I'm about to try to do it one-handed. We'll see how that goes. Always cute packaging. The label came off actually pretty easily. Oh, you're seeing this with me. Oh my God, denim. So cute. Wow. Oh, gracious. It's a reusable bag. And it's just the cutest colors. So far, so good. An awesome card, a little gift card, a little friend card, a little I'm thinking of you card, whatever you want to use it for. You are one of a kind. Another encouragement card. I think those are great. Oh, these are like patches. Very, very cute in obviously coordinating colors. I really like those. And cute stickers. Perfect for April. April showers bring May flowers. Isn't that about the truth? Especially in Oregon. And a cover. A new cover with the denim. Oh my gosh, so cute. Oh, complete winner. So this was my first box, and I would say ultra score. And I'm sure there's something inside here. We'll just open it real quick. Obviously that wasn't really quickly, but looks like there is some information on her cool pencils. And we get a couple of them. Hello, lovely, and live in full bloom. So, first EC seasonal box, total score. Thanks, Erin.